Hello everyone. This guide will explain how to get your mobile phone ready for the Quickpass system and how to install Quickpass itself. Due to the secure nature of this system, your phone must be configured with a secure screen lock. This can take the form of biometrics, a PIN, or a password. A pattern unlock is not acceptable. In this age of identity theft and how much personal and business information is on your phone, there's no reason to not set this up. If your work email account is accessible on your phone, you were likely already forced into setting this up. If not, iPhone users can use the link in the description below. Android users can watch this short clip. This is being performed on a Galaxy S7. Your screens may look different, but with a little sleuthing you should be able to find the same information. From the home screen, swipe down, then swipe down again. Tap the cog wheel in the top right. Find and tap Lock Screen and Security. Now, if at this point you're lost, have no fear. Most Android phones have an excellent search function. To get to that excellent search function, start from the home screen and swipe up. In the search field, type lock. Find screen lock type in the list. Find and tap Screen lock type. If you find yourself staring at a screen prompting for a PIN or a password, congratulations, your phone is already set to install Quickpass. If you still can't find the lock screen settings, simply do a Google search for your phone make, your phone model, and lock screen. For instance, Moto G7 lock screen. On the next screen, you'll find the different lock options available to you. Now, my swipe and pattern are grayed out because the policy instituted by my company does not allow for anything so unsecure. From this screen, you can get into whichever option you so choose. Note, if you choose biometric, you will also need to configure a PIN as a backup. Do not forget this PIN. This is incredibly important. If you reboot your phone, you will need the PIN. If you enter the wrong PIN 10 times, everything on your phone will be erased. This includes pictures, videos, and contacts. You will also be prompted occasionally during normal screen unlocks to use this PIN. When your administrator has authorized you to use Quickpass, you will receive an email from noreply@quickpass.com with a subject of Welcome to Quickpass. Click the link that says Register Phone Number here. It will take you to a website where you need to enter your 10-digit text-enabled mobile phone number. Again, this is your mobile or cell phone number. Be sure to change the country code appropriately. Once you have entered your number, click the Send button. The website will change to prompt you for another code. Shortly, you will receive a text message with that numerical code. Enter the code into the website and click the button. At this stage, if you have your work email account on your phone, open it up and find the Quickpass email. If you do not have your work email account on your phone, forward the message to any personal email account you do have on your phone. Now that you're looking at the welcome email, scroll to step 2 and tap the link for the appropriate store. Since I am on an Android phone, I will tap the Google Play link. Your phone should take you directly to the store page for the app. Do not try to search for the app yourself, as there are many other apps with the same name. Tap the Install button. Wait for it to download and install. Once installed, tap Open. Enter your work email address and tap Get Started. It will prompt you to send a verification code to your phone via text message. Once you receive the code, enter the code. Finally, tap Get Started. From this app, you can see your password's expiration date and how many days you have left. You can also reset your password from the app. Additionally, when your password will be expiring soon, the app will warn you. If you enter your password incorrectly too many times and get your account locked, you can unlock your account from the app. However, if your account is getting locked out and you are not entering your password wrong, call support immediately, as your account may be under attack.